Hi, my name is Murray. I'm going to upgrade my Acer Aspire 1 from 2 gigs of RAM to 4 gigs, and I'm going to do it in less than a minute. It's a really easy upgrade. It's going to make the laptop just a little bit more friendly when I've got a lot of windows open and running a few more items. Very cheap upgrade, less than $35 and less than a minute. Alright, I've got my timer ready. I've got my memory ready. Alright, let's go. Alright, simply slide the battery out. Slide this lever over and the battery pops right out. Set that over. Got one screw in the front. Going to remove that completely. Set it to the side. Now slide the entire panel forward and then up. Got the memory located right here. It's got 2 little clips on each side. Pop that up. Pop in my new memory. Only one way it can go in. Alright, there we go. Slide it back into position. Screw back in. Hold the clip in place and got it. Less than a minute to go. Or less than 3 seconds. I did it less than a minute, and my Aspire 1 is upgraded to 4 gigs of RAM. Check out the link at the bottom there in the notes. It'll give you a good link to tigerdirect.com. That's where I buy all my computer gadgets, and you too can upgrade your Aspire 1 in probably less than a minute. It's a real simple fix. Good luck. Check out the link at the bottom. Thanks.